Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for April 22nd to May 4th. For April 22nd to 25th, most of the models in this almost depict above normal heights across the nation, and there are some indications of a weakness over the southeast. Some models are stronger with this. You can see here, this is GFS, but as we go through time, it seems to weaken. We come to the 25th. You see all the models weaken that except for the NAEFS, which has a very deep trough over the Ohio-Tennessee Valley. But we go back and on the period, the GFS remains with this, but the other models are not as strong. During this period, you see we'll have two streams. Here's the southern stream. Here's the northern stream, and these two streams will be the dominant features during this flow. And we'll have a southern stream system. Let me get to this. Here's our first storm that'll be affecting this region during early in the period. This is what will be affecting the region tonight and tomorrow. Heavy rain across the Mid-Atlantic, strong storms here. They'll be moving offshore. And then it moves further offshore by Sunday. And then here's our next system we'll be watching in the southern plains. And this system has the potential to bring heavy rainfall threat to the southern plains and the Mississippi Valley. And there could be some embedded convection, which could be severe. A deep flow from the Gulf will enhance rainfall amounts. Also, we're expecting precipitation here. You can see in the Great Basin and the Central and Southern Rockies. Excuse me. And the highest elevation of Colorado may experience snow. And then we'll have a wave tracking from the Midwest to New England, which may cause some rainfall as it tracks through the region. April 25th to 29th. Northern stream would be the more dominant feature. You can see here's our dominant stream, and we'll have a weak flow across the remainder of the nation with above normal heights. So then we'll go through the period. We'll go to we're at the 28th. This will be next Sunday, and you can see what I'm talking about here. I don't have the NAEFS. Can't talk today, but most of the models are showing this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees or more. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. And for this region, I think this will be short-lived. And the probability of occurrence is 35%. That's why I'm giving it a low probability, especially across this region here. And we have above normal precipitation forecast for this area here. The probability of occurrence is getting higher, 50%. Now look at the period for April 30th to May 4th. Here we are at the start of the period. Here's the 30th. And the models and ensembles are not in good agreement during this period. As you can see here, this is the GFS has near the above normal heights flat flow. It's ensemble, same thing. Then we look at the, this is the European deterministics. And the European, let me see, I got to go here. European ensembles. But the difference is here, let me see, I had the differences and now I don't have. The GFS, we're going to go, has, let me see if I can, has a trough in the east, ridge in the west. Its ensembles have a ridge in the east, and the European ensembles has above normal heights across much of the nation. So this is what I'm showing you. So for this forecast, I want to look at this. The ensemble means, do I have that? Oh, I don't have that. The ensemble means, though, has near to above normal heights with a flat flow across much of the nation, which that's what I think it's going to be. So for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, and I'm forecasting anomalies of at least 4 to 8 degrees above normal. And then I'm going to have, for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here and here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. And then what I'm talking about, wetness returns to the east, above normal precipitation here. And for the southern plains, and the probability of occurrence is 50%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for April 22nd through May 4th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.